Introducing the 2020 Peugeot 5008 GT line, 1.5 Blue HDI 130 6.24 in stunning white. This MPV is not just a vehicle, it's a luxurious experience on wheels. From the moment you step inside, you'll be surrounded by top-of-the-line comfort and technology features like ambient lighting, Android Auto, CarPlay, and a refrigerated storage compartment. But it's not just about luxury. This vehicle also prioritizes safety with features such as anti-collision system, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. You can drive with peace of mind knowing you're protected on the road. With its sleek exterior styling, sunroof, and roof rails, this Peugeot 5008 GT line stands out from the crowd. Plus, with the added benefits of a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can hit the road with confidence. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit windsor.ie for more information on how you can make this exceptional vehicle yours.